Mini splits are a great option for anyone who needs heating and cooling where traditional ductwork isn't practical or feasible. A mini split system is ideal for older homes with no central air or ductwork, add-on rooms, sunrooms, and outbuildings, rooms that aren't usually used, areas adjacent to unconditioned spaces, and homes with costly electric heating that would benefit from cooling. A mini split, also known as a ductless air conditioning system, is a compact HVAC system that efficiently heats and cools spaces. A mini split consists of two primary components, an outdoor compressor or condenser unit, and one or more indoor air handlers. Shipped fully assembled, mini split installation is typically easier than most systems, usually only requiring a single 3-inch hole in the outside wall or ceiling to connect the outdoor and the indoor units. Most of our systems come with a controller that allows you to adjust the temperature, fan speed, timer, and other settings from a distance. Depending on your specific mini split model, you may also be able to control your mini split using voice commands over Wi-Fi through the SmartThings app. When in cooling mode, a mini split system reduces the air temperature by extracting the heat from the indoor air and transferring it outdoors. For heating, the mini split system operates in reverse. The system extracts heat from the outdoor air and transfers it indoors. Basically, a mini split system performs all of the same functions of a conventional whole home system on a much smaller scale, all without the need for ductwork or complicated installation. There are several key features and benefits to a Lennox Powered by Samsung mini split. Calm air technology. This feature is included on all wall mounts and cassettes. You will feel a mild breeze coming through thousands of perforated holes on the front panel instead of the air coming directly through the louver. Built-in Wi-Fi for complete control. Wi-Fi connectivity is featured on all of our indoor units. Control your mini split utilizing the SmartThings app on your mobile device, whether you're at home or away. The app can control the temperature, operational mode, fan speed, and more. Motion detection sensor. Exclusive to MWMD models only, integral motion detection sensors improve comfort, control, and can save energy when no people are in the room, which can increase energy savings. AI capabilities. These mini splits can automatically operate in any of the cool, dry, heat, and wind-free modes depending on patterns. It uses machine learning to analyze usage patterns, room conditions, and environmental factors, allowing it to automatically adjust the heating and cooling settings to really optimize the energy consumption. Variable capacity, constant efficiency. The variable capacity operation adjusts heating and cooling output like a dimmer switch to perfectly match your comfort needs to your energy use. Maximum comfort, minimum noise. The compact footprint of mini splits delivers quiet comfort, making them ideal for areas where noise restrictions are present. Our outdoor units operate as low as 45 decibels or the sound of a refrigerator. With a new understanding of how mini splits work, contact your local Lennox dealer today.